Hey guys, this is Yango Jackson, Absolute Carpet and Tile Cleaner. It's 4th of July and I'm doing a carpet. As you can see, I just pre-sprayed. I'm gonna let it dwell here. Carpet's not that bad. It's just it has a little faint odor of cat. So I put some Pet Zone in there, and also I'm using some Soap Daddy with Enzyme. So that'll help it out. I checked to see if there was any urine stains or anything. I didn't see any. It's pretty dark in here. The electricity's cut off. Thank God I got my my rigid 10,000 watt generator that I got. So that's a plus for me. And I'm gonna knock this thing out, and then I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and it's on to the barbecue. So I just want to let you guys know that it's 4th of July and I'm out here pumping. So this is Yango Jackson, Absolute Carpet and Tile Cleaner. Have a happy 4th of July.